In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Notion. Exporting your data from Notion is a straightforward process, but knowing exactly how to do it can save you time and help you organize your information effectively. To get started, you need to head over to Notion. Launch the Notion app on your device or open it in your web browser. It's important to be logged into your account to access your workspace. Once you're in Notion, navigate to the specific page or database that you wish to export. It's crucial that you make sure you have selected the correct page, as this will be the data you export. If you have multiple pages or databases, double-check that you've opened up the right one. Now, in the upper right corner of the page, you will notice a 3 dots icon. This is commonly known as the Options menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform within Notion. From this drop-down menu, you need to choose the Export option. Selecting this will bring up a new window that provides different settings for your export. You might be wondering what format is best for your needs. Generally, you have the choice between Markdown and CSV, HTML, or PDF. Each format serves different purposes. Markdown and CSV are great for exporting data you plan to use in other applications or for further processing. HTML might be your pick if you want the data in a web-friendly format, and PDF is useful for easily sharing or printing your data while keeping the formatting intact. In the Export window, there is also an option to include subpages in your export. Toggling this option will allow you to include any pages nested within the current page. This is particularly handy if your workflow involves several interconnected pages that you want to keep linked together. Next, consider whether to include attached files and images in your export. Depending on whether these elements are crucial for your record-keeping or sharing purposes, you can decide to include or exclude them. Once you've configured these options to your liking, it's time to click on the Export button. This action will initiate the download of the file or files to your device. The download time can vary based on the amount of data you have, so be patient. When the download is complete, you'll be able to locate your exported files in your device's designated Downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data from Notion. By following these steps, you can ensure that your data is organized and accessible, whether it's for backup, sharing, or further processing. Remember, having your data at your fingertips gives you the flexibility to move between platforms or securely store your information. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exporting!